The OBSBOT Meet 2 is portable and smallest 4K webcam with AI subject tracking mode and also offering true 4K video with HDR quality. This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm exploring OBSBOT Meet 2 and how it could benefit streamers. Consideration is given to whether this next-gen webcam truly offers an advantage for content creators. Let's find out. Is your current camera holding your stream back? Let's do an unboxing of Meet 2 and see what's inside the box. Initially, let's compare the Meet 2 4K True Video quality with the MacBook M3 Pro's 1080p camera. The Meet 2 is designed to mount on any laptop including MacBook Pro using its magnetic mount. The magnetic mount included with the Meet 2 functions as both a clip for your screen and a desktop stand. The magnetic mount provides a quick, tool-free and stable way to position the OBSBOT Meet 2 on a thin screen like a laptop or a thicker external monitor. The Meet 2 camera unit has a strong magnet in its base. The clip has a metal plate on its top surface. The camera unit snaps directly onto the mount with a satisfying and secure connection. This makes it very easy to attach and detach the camera. Connect the USB-C one side with the Meet 2 and the other side with the USB-C cable to the laptop. The Meet 2 requires significant power, especially for high-resolution streaming 4K. It is recommended to plug it directly into the laptop USB-C port. Mounting the Meet 2 on any tripod is straightforward as it uses this universal standard mounting screw. Meet 2 is plug and play for video recording. You can download OBSBOT Center software from the OBSBOT website. Also, you can find the downloadable link in the video description. The OBSBOT Center app is the companion software for your Meet 2, providing access to its advanced AI features and a wide array of manual image controls. On the app, you can set different options in the console and image section where you can enable HDR mode, autofocus, auto exposure, and other settings as shown in this upcoming video. To feature gesture control, an AI-powered function that enables you to manage key functions, including zoom, without touching the device or the OBSBOT Center app interface. The OBSBOT Center app is the main hub for accessing the beauty mode and various filters and effects for your Meet 2. These are software level enhancements designed to optimize your performance for video recording and streams. The beauty mode, filters, and background blur are all software effects processed by the OBSBOT Center app, not the camera hardware itself. And let me show you different effects and filters in the next video section. As Me Too can record up to 4K 30 frames per second. That's great. Since you are looking for the best quality 4K video, here are the optimal settings and adjustments to look for in the OBSBOT Center software, focusing on image quality and maximum resolution. Meet 2 does not have a dedicated physical 3.5 mm audio jack to connect a wireless microphone directly to the webcam itself. But you can connect the wireless microphone to the 3.5 mm audio jack on your laptop, as you can see in this video. Once you connect the 3.5 mm audio jack to the laptop, switch on the wireless microphone and then switch on the transmitter of your microphone. From this microphone setting, you can select the external microphone option from the OBSBOT Center app, and here is the audio result. This is a testing sound of wireless microphone. I'm using wireless microphone with the Meet 2. I hope you are listening clear sound. This is the testing sound with the wireless microphone. I'm using Meet 2. Now I want to show you different audio result using noise cancellation on and off, and also using wireless microphone with the Meet 2. Hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. This is the testing sound of me too with the strong noise cancellation. I hope you're listening clear sound. This is the noise reduction with the strong option. Hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. This is a testing sound of me too with the noise reduction off. I hope you're listening clear sound. This is a testing sound of wireless microphone. I'm using wireless microphone with the Me Too. I hope you are listening clear sound. This is the testing sound with a wireless microphone. I'm using Me Too. Finally, let me share the process how you can use Me Too for live streaming, and also I'm sharing its live streaming settings. Open the OBS Studio software for live streaming, and you can also find the download link in the video description. Use these settings as I am showing in this video. Me Too is designed to work seamlessly with the OBS Studio, allowing you to utilize its 4K quality and advanced AI features for your live streams. These are the YouTube live streaming settings. As live streaming is working smoothly, I am using 1080p resolution for streaming, but you can select 4K video resolution as well. And here is the OBSBOT Meet 2 is an excellent, high quality and featuring true 4K webcam that provides incredible value for its price point. The Meet 2 buying price is $129 and you can find the buying links in the video description. It is an ideal choice for streamers, YouTubers, and professionals who want to significant upgrade to a standard laptop webcam without investing a full mirrorless camera setup. If you're looking for a home security camera, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.